Miss Viviana Carolina Rodriguez, Tutor Julián Flores and companions, good evening. Then I share phase 3 of our 4 tax activity. Video about my trip to Brazil to know the trees, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Name of the wonder, Christ the Redeemer. Where is it? Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It is natural or man-made? It's man-made. Hypothetical situation. I am in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I am recording the video of my more recent song. I am on the Corcovado mountain right next to the Christ the Redeemer monument. I feel happy to be fulfilling my dream of being here in front of the redeeming Christ to know and record my music video. This is a beautiful place. This moment for me is amazing. It makes me feel peace and Redeemer, my Savior, Jesus Christ. Thank you very much.